Hello everyone, I'm Iang Nei. I'm from Summer English Course Level 2 class of Keep Education Centers. This is my first time job presentation, so I'm very excited. So there may be any grammar mistake. I hope that you guys will understand. Today, I would like to present about dreams. Ever since we were kids, we are always asked about our dreams. Mm, Dreams are not only the one we see when we sleep at night, but also the one we see the broad daylight. These dreams can be different or the same, but one thing is certain: everyone has dreams. As we all know, dreams are the most important part of our life because life is meaningless without dreams. Mm, our life will be like a lost ship in the sea sailing with no directions. I don't think anyone want to see themselves in such a situations. If you have no dreams, life will certainly be purposeless. If you want to be a successful person, you should have dreams. Even those who success in life had to chase the dream that make them like today. And I think we want to do our dreams come true. We should respect times, do what you have to do on today's without waiting tomorrow, because no one knows if tomorrow will come or not. Once you're taking a small step, one day you are sure to find your ways. Nothing come easy. Life undoubtedly present challenges in pursuing our life. But in these situations, I would like to say, don't give up and keep fighting for your dreams. I believe that one day our dreams will come true. Thank you for giving me your precious time to watch this video. Bye bye.